What's up, Lashinistas? Welcome to the show. This is the LivBay podcast, where we talk about the ever-growing eyelash business. This is your first time listening to our show. Welcome. This podcast is dedicated to helping you grow as a lash artist and or lash business owner. So whether you work for someone else or yourself, this podcast is for you.
I was not ready. Hey guys, this is Shauna Jones.
You look amazing.
This is Shauna and Mike Jones, owners of LivBay Lash. Our heart is to share with you our uphill battle in this lash industry and to show you what started out of a tiny bedroom in our house, extremely broke, has turned into an 8-figure company.
We are here to encourage you during your lash journey
and to give you guys a raw
vision of what things are really like.
In today's episode,
we're going to be talking about lash station setups. Clearly, we got our shit together today. But before we jump into that, we have a few announcements. Yes. So, got some classes coming up. We're going to be in Denver, February 1st, Vegas, February 8th, Hawaii, February 15th, Chicago, March 1st, and. Just go to livbayclasses.com. You'll be able to see all the upcoming tour dates there. Tour dates, like our rock stars. Going on tour, world tour. Cleveland, we're coming, yeah. We have some online VR classes coming up March 2nd and 3rd. We have our online membership program at livbaycourses.com. There's all kinds of perks. If you're living under a rock, obviously we give you 20% off your products. A
free gift per month, two free full tutorials per month, and then you get all of your questions answered within minutes. You have access to Mike and I. We go live once a month. And it's amazing. $99 a month. You can cancel anytime. So whatever stage you're at, it's a ton of value.
Yep. And last but not least, our Canadian facility is open. So if you live in Canada, please make sure you're ordering from livbaycanada.com. It'll save you all that money in duty tax. And it's just like no brainer.
Yeah. And not
we love
all
LivBay.
And not all of the products are up. We're in the middle of kind of just stocking literally everything, but there's a lot to choose from so far. Also, follow OB Manufacturing. We are venturing off into private labeling for you guys here in the U.S., which is so amazing.
We got a video coming.
We have an amazing video coming.
We're going to show you guys
some stuff we've been working on. But if you've been following us, since 2019, we've talked about us wanting to manufacture specific things. Right now, we do have lash bath, primers, cream remover, gel removers, bonder, and then glue.
And lashes are on their way.
And then lashes are on their way.
All U.S. made. And you'll be able to order a sample with your logo on the box or on the glue bottle. It's pretty cool.
So amazing.
It's way more eco-friendly. It's really nice stuff. We're very excited to present it to you guys.
Best quality. Cool.
All right. So lash chair setup. So when you guys first start out lashing, many of you have options as to what kind of a setup you want. Some people want to know which one's the best way to go. Should I do a massage table? Should I do one of those zero gravity esthetician chairs / tattoo chairs? Should we do a lash recliner that you see a lot of people using? Which one's the best way to go? And I think the simple answer is it all comes down to budget.
Yeah. When I first started out, as many of you know or you don't, I got my first massage table off Craigslist. It was like $50 or something like that. That's all I could afford at the time. So at that time, recliners weren't a thing, but that was all the money I had because we were super broke. But it was a great massage table, had a little scuffs on it, but you can make it super comfortable and cute. You can put foam toppers on there, like egg crates, just depending on like your budget, but you can get some cool stuff like from Walmart or Amazon to make it more comfortable. And then you can upgrade to a recliner.
They're cheap. They're cheap. You can get, what's a brand new massage table on Amazon these days? 50,
60 bucks. Yeah. You can even go to Ross too. They have some really cool stuff. Their stocking days are Tuesday, just so you know. And Wednesday is 10% off if you bring someone who's a senior citizen. Ross is already cheap, but...
She brings me.
I do. I have to change his diaper, but we're good to go.
She's got a lot of practice. She's got little kids and an old husband.
Yeah.
I'm her sugar daddy.
But there's some amazing things you can get. They also have they're not Tempur-Pedic, but they feel like Tempur-Pedic, like little pillows at Ross for like $8.99. So you can start out with a massage table and you could fluff it up and make it, look and feel really comfortable. Due to COVID, obviously, there's something. What are you laughing?
I was just thinking about our walk this morning. We were looking at a few different of the neighbors and you were like... She's definitely a sugar baby.
Oh, yeah.
Husband was a little bit older.
Yeah.
There's a few of those in our neighborhood. Yeah. They usually walk 10 steps in front of the husband.
You know, what's funny is like I can tell Mike and I are getting older because we walk like all the time. We'll walk in the morning. We'll do these walks, like old people walks. We'll do like 2 miles, and we like talk about the weather and stuff. Like that's how I know we're getting older. And we bicker about people speeding in the neighborhood, and I'm like, we are literally.
I saw Postmates or Instacart. I'm like, slow down.
And we weren't even with the kids. I'm like, we're both getting older. But anyways, way off topic. Oh my gosh, ADD husband. But there's things that you can do if you're on a budget to make yourself and your clients, you know, comfortable as possible. But with the massage tables, especially due to COVID, you know, a lot of people aren't doing blankets or they're doing saran wrap. No, I'm just kidding. They have the, you know, at the doctor's office.
Plastic wrapped table.
Like an old person. The sofa. The house that smells like mothballs. They have like in the doctor's offices, you know what I'm talking about, the paper. I've lost my husband for real.
No, the medical paper they put, it sounds like literally like tissue paper. You sit on, it's all crinkly.
Yeah. And
did you scoot down to the end of the bed?
I need to find out because someone posted in our group and it had lashes on it. It was so cute, but it was like a disposable one. It was so cute. Yeah. But you can do that. But I mean, obviously now due to COVID, a lot of people are like stripping all the blankets off and stuff like that. But if you're not going to use a massage table and you are going to get a recliner, check on OfferUp, Craigslist. I mean, you can get a steal right now.
Let's go pros and cons massage table. Pros, portable and affordable. You can literally fold it up like a suitcase.
Sanitize it really well.
Yeah, you can take a barbicide wipe, wipe it down, or bleach wipe because it's like a pleathery type finish. Mm-hmm. It's got a carrying case, so when you do fold it up, you just put it in there and carry it under your arm.
If you're going to go mobile, especially.
Yeah. Cons, it is kind of clunky and bulky. Most people can't lay on top of that flat surface for long periods of time, especially if they're pregnant.
It's not as comfortable. You physically sometimes can't get like all the way underneath. So sometimes
it's like those leg braces
that will affect that'll affect your view. Like I always had an issue like where I was like, God, you know, I'm not getting better. And it was really just my setup because I couldn't see like the actual base of the natural lashes. So I was just putting it on their eyebrows. No, I'm just kidding. But so if you, if you don't have like a good view, you're not going to produce the best work. So also, you know, you can get like an adjustable saddle stool for that to make the view better, but it's not that comfortable.
It's hard because the legs are in the way. You can't really like straddle, get underneath them. That's the downside to it.
Yeah, but it's not comfortable. And if you're first starting, your clients are going to be on that bed for a good 4 hours probably. So if you can, I would search for a recliner like on OfferUp, on Craigslist. There's a Let It Go app or whatever. But if you do have some money, you can go to Big Lots.
Let it go. Let it go.
You've been hanging out with Olive too long. You can. We're all over the board today. If you can go to Big Lots. If you do have some money saved up, you can sign up for their VIP program. It's like you just get emails from them, get a bunch of spam, 15% off. And I think the cheapest recliner there is how much? Like $280 or
shit. Lately it's been $175.
Yeah, or you can get a floor model. You can get a floor model, and sometimes it's like just a little scuff on the recliner. You can't take it back. You can't get a warranty on that, but it's still cheaper. So you can do that too. And they're comfortable. We're going to
make sure you do get that like leather or pleather finish so you can disinfect it. If you get a cloth recliner, you're not gonna be able to wipe that thing down. Yeah.
We have one at St. Rose, and they literally like spray it, and they always have to like buffer their time to let it like dry so it's not wet. But make sure you get like a pleather one, and then we're gonna also link the
Let's
platform.
Do it right here.
the platform, we did the base. So we're going to link that too.
Everybody always asks. I see everybody buy recliner chairs like in our Facebook group and stuff. And they're like, well, why do you need a base for? Why do you need a base? Trust me, you'll see very quickly why you need a base. The recliner chair, if you're just using it without a platform, literally feels like you're working on a massage table.
Yeah, it's like the same thing. And we did it for a long time in the salon. Like it took us a while to figure out like the whole platform thing. And
my wife told my brother, she was like,
yeah,
do you think you can build something
to go underneath?
Because like I feel like I'm curving my back to reach them.
Yeah.
And he's like, yeah, how tall do you want it? So he builds this platform, and it just puts them up 5-6 inches.
That was Mark's idea.
That was my brother's idea. It puts them up 5-6 inches. And now when they recline back, they're sitting perfectly in your lap, and you're just lashing with your arms rested on the headrest instead of being hunched over when they're down lower. They're just sitting right here. Now your back's in line. Your back's straight. You're not curving your spine. And it's a game changer. Everybody's like, what do you need a base for? Trust me, it's a night and day difference. Even the Lash Chair, when we first built our first location, half the rooms had bases, half the rooms didn't. And the ones that didn't have bases begged us for bases because they tried it one time doing it elevated to where they weren't leaned over, and it was a game changer.
Yeah.
So that's why you need the base.
And I've seen some people are like, well, the base is made, but I'm still uncomfortable. I'm really, really short or whatever. Well, you just need to adjust your stool. Like you need a saddle stool and you need to adjust it more. But we also have like the Tempur-Pedic little pillow things from Ross as a little booster, just in case for some reason
We should
you
start
have a
getting
client.
paid by Ross. How many times we plugged them?
I would live for that. Oh my gosh. I would
give you
love
free
that.
store credit. Like, Shauna, you have like $1,000 in store
Oh my
credit.
gosh.
Like,
I would die. Oh, I would love that.
I know you would.
I would love. That's my favorite store besides 99 only. I was there yesterday. I
thinks
spent $130. I'm
She
so
thinks
excited.
99 only is big shopping. I gave her a $20 bill. I'm like, go crazy, babe. She's like, oh,
I was so excited. Whatever.
20 items.
It's
Oh, wait, there's
amazing.
sales tax. 19 items.
Anyways, if you're short, you build the base and you're still having an issue, get a booster seat type thing or a Tempur-Pedic pillow. Don't get a regular pillow, even if you're broke or whatever. Don't get a regular pillow because they're just going to sink in that. Make sure it's like Tempur-Pedic. It's nice. It's like a little bit more stiff. Also, adjust the chair you're sitting on. Amazon does have some really cool saddle stools that you can get, and they have the settings to make it go up, and that's exactly what you need if you're a little bit shorter and you meet the base. There you go. Your problem solved.
There is a third option. So there is those like esthetician / facial chairs or tattoo chairs. And I even saw, Sugar Lash Pro. They invented their own version of it too. Like this, like
it looks so amazing. It's like vegan leather. It's like it's
which
not
means
out
it's
yet.
expensive.
Yeah,
it's
that's
vegan
okay.
leather.
Honestly,
But
yeah. If I would totally get them for the salon,
it's
it looks amazing.
super ergonomic, and
I think it's like $1,700 or $2,000 or something like that, and they come out.
I just
in
saw
February.
our camera guy's eyebrows go through the roof.
Yeah, but I mean, realistically, it's like it. First of all, it looks amazing. And we don't even talk to her or anything. So this isn't like a public announcement or anything.
Yeah,
but
we're not plugging it. We're just saying it's a cool looking design.
It absolutely looks amazing. And it's pretty colors and it looks so comfortable. It looks comfortable for both you and the client. So I would definitely invest in that if I didn't have how many chairs do we have? One salon has 13 rooms. That'd be a lot of money.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future.
About 60
if I keep
plus.
shopping at Ross and 99 only, we'll be able to get them. Right?
Yeah. Well, you could buy them now, but you're just too cheap.
I am. Whatever. Be lucky. Be
I'm
lucky.
very lucky. Listen, I know. Listen, here's the other thing.
If we went back to what he used to date, he'd be broke right now.
Yeah, well, he used to date. Yeah. Not me. Him over there.
That's another episode.
Got a stink eye. Anyway, listen, at the end of the day, even like the facial chairs and the esthetician chairs, those are great too. They're just kind of, they're not portable.
Heavy.
You can't take them anywhere. Once you get them set up, they're heavy. You're not really moving them around.
You can make them comfortable, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know. I think your best bet is like a recliner. And
They're very expensive too.
Yeah.
And they can hide, they're on electric, like hydraulic lift. They can move different angles. But if you got that kind of budget, maybe. But
or if you're doing other services, then that's great. Just make it comfortable. Just put like a mattress pad on it or something. Not a mattress pad, but like a pad on it. Make it comfortable. If you're doing other services, that would make sense. There's a lot of people who do other services and they're like, I don't know about a recliner because I do this and I do that. I understand that. So maybe that would be a better option for you.
I think we're all in agreement. Bang for the buck wise, the recliner with the base is the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be the most comfortable option for your client. It's going to be the most comfortable option for you. We use them in all of our salons, and it's not because of money. Because if it was because of money, we just throw massage tables in there.
Yeah.
But it definitely is probably the best option. I feel, based on all my experience getting lashes.
Mm-hmm.
But no, it's a win for everybody. So,
and it's cozy and it's great for all customers. So if you have like somebody who's like maybe a little bit bigger, they can still manage to be in a recliner. It's super comfortable. Or pregnant. Like if you're pregnant, you are not laying on a massage table for 2 hours, even an hour. It's brutal. Your back already hurts, your everything. So
bladder, the little
vagina,
human kicking your ribs
everything.
out.
It's horrible. So recliner, so much more comfortable. And then, make sure you do the platform.
Yeah.
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 All right. That was a good episode, right? Right.
Okay, cool. Good talk. Hey, right? Yeah. Yeah, awesome, bro. That's all we got for you guys today. As always, if you haven't done so, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcast on Apple.
Join the Lash
iTunes.
Tea.
Join the Lash
Just
Tea.
be nice.
TEA. It's a support group.
Not a bully group.
Not a bully group. And if you haven't done so yet,
follow OB Manufacturing and stay tuned to some of the most amazing, groundbreaking stuff you're going to hear in the industry.
Yeah. Well, that was exciting. That part was. I'm very excited.
And we're going to be on
Jay Leno. No? What? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Amazon. We are going on Amazon. A buddy of ours has been beating us up for a year and a half now. He actually tracked me down at the beauty show back in
a while ago.
2019. Was just like, dude, you got to get on Amazon. You have 40,000 people searching for you guys monthly and just living on your real estate for free. And we fought it, and finally we're like, all right, screw it. So,
yes, but we're going to be shipping from our warehouse. And
so
I
it's
think
all
that's
kind
important.
of controlled.
Controlled with the glue. Your packaging is still going to be an amazing experience. So that was one of the stipulations we made it happen.
I bet you it's faster than Prime.
It is. Well, that's why.
Because we same day ship.
Because we same day ship. Yeah.
Even on Sundays, we're loading the van, heading to the post office.
Yeah, just to drop it so we can go out Monday morning. All right, cool. So find us on Amazon.
All right, that's all we got. Thank you.
Thank you.